Hello everyone, this is Shivani Singh from Sanskar Global School, and today we are here with theme 11, that is Rebels and Raj, the revolt of 1857 and its representations. And what does this chapter teaches us? It teaches us about the 1857 revolt broke in India against the Britishers by many famous as well as brave identities that are known as patriots of the India. Now we will be discussing about the pattern of the rebellion, how the mutinies begin. So we will be looking at the people from different walks of the life plunged into the revolt due to their hatred against the oppressive policies of British centers. People were fed up of the Britishers, and the oppressive centers included the Lucknow, Kanpur, Bareilly, Meerut and Ara, that is in Bihar. Leaders included Rani Lakshmi Bai, Nana Sahab, Kunwar Singh, Bakht Khan and Begum Hazrat Mahal and Tatya Tope. There was revolt in the Awadh. Direct annexation policy was there, that was of Lord Dalhousie of 1856. Hatred provoked dispossessed the talukdars of Awadh. There was so much of injustice done to the Nawab Wajid Ali Shah of Awadh. Revolt of the sepoys, policy of social superiority of the British were there. Interference in the religious matter like greased cartridges, issues of cow's fat and the pig's fat was also there. The vision of unity, Hindu-Muslim unity, search for alternative powers. Rebels established the parallel administration in Delhi, Lucknow and Kanpur after capturing the centers of the British power. Later they failed. The British policies of repression was also seen over there. Now repression of 1857 of the North India was brought about to strict laws prolonged the attacks of the Britishers, one from Calcutta to North India and another from Punjab. To recover the Delhi, 27,000 Muslims were hanged, and the images of the revolt, of the pictorial images produced in the British and the Indians, they were posters with cartoons. The performance of terror was there. Execution of nationalist rebels, inspiration to the nationalist celebration of the first war of independence. Independent leader depicted as heroic figure. They talked about the heroic figure. Now we will be talking about the pattern of the rebellion, the how the mutinies begin. The sepoys begin their action with a signal, firing the evening gun in the sounding of the bigal. Bigal is a kind of musical instrument. They seized the bell of arms and they plundered the treasury. Bell of arm was the place where storeroom, we can say that, where weapons were kept. Okay, they attacked the government buildings and the jails, and also the telephone office, record rooms and bungalows, burning all the records, everything and everybody they were connected in. White men became a target in major towns like Kanpur, Lucknow and Bareilly. Moneylenders and rich became they became the easy targets of the rebellions, and there were leaders and so many followers were also there to fight. The British leadership and the organization were required. For this they turned towards the Mughal ruler Bahadur Shah, who agreed to the nominal leader of the rebellion. And in Kanpur, the sepoys and the people of the town agreed to support Nana Sahib. In Jhansi, it was forced to assume the leadership of the uprising. Kunwar Singh was a local zamindar in Ara in Bihar. He took over the leadership in the region of Bihar. There were a lot of mutiny, which was a collective disobedience of rules and regulation within the armed forces. Revolt, a rebellion of the people against established authority and the power. The term revolt and rebellion, they can be used synonymously. That means their meaning is almost the same, and we can also say that people, they all believed in the rumors that were spreading at that time. There was Firangi Raj and it was the end of the world. People used to assume these kinds of things. They used to believe these kinds of rumors also, and the attitude of talukdar towards the people was also not good, and the Britishers were supporting the talukdars, and talukdars were harassing the local people or the local villagers, we can say that. that. So revolt of 1857 proved to be raised voice protest. Thank you.